that is the beautiful garden which God has ever made in this whole wide world. So I feel standing before you today, seeing lots of languages, culture, and you are from so many different tribes. It's really this is how God created us to meet together. I guess it's a sense of the taste of heaven from earth. So thank you so much. I really love to stand in front of you and sing this song. And this song is from the book of Psalms, which the Bible explains how God longs you or holds you in His hand, and He guides you all along the way. Please listen to this song. It's such a wonderful and beautiful song. I hope you will really concentrate and listen with attention. I can but remain not forever. Oh, that I would present help. I know that you would be here in the morning by my side. Lord, if you say you won't slip away,